Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 27, 2017, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic calendar this week, not much on the horizon, but just a few numbers coming out. Of course, this morning we have a German IFO number coming out of the from Germany, which should affect the euro. Okay, it is an impact number, so just keep an eye on it. We're looking here at the Euro USD. As you can see, we gapped up this morning on territory that has past resistance. Okay, so we look here, let's just look at a weekly number, and you can see here just down below, we're just inching up above this level. Okay, let's look at a daily. As you can see here, we've got this gap up. We had this resistance last week. We tried to break it up on the 108.30-ish level, and we never broke above. And right here, it's 108.45, so you see that we're breaking higher, and we're coming closer to these resistance levels and breaking higher. So just to see some consistency, let's see if it's a gap and go. Okay, looking at this morning, let's see if we have some sort of consistency. We could break this up above this 108.47 level. Otherwise, we may see a retracement and then a fill the gap situation here. So keep an eye on this. Now, another thing to keep an eye on today is looking at the gold. We're looking at the weekly chart of gold here, and we're just trading at this resistance level as well. Okay, so there's a couple of barriers, as you can see here, that we're trading, at resistance. 1257, 1256 is the price right here. So we have to see some sort of consistency in the market on the upside to break it up further. We broke up this 1252 level, but just let's see if we can continue this rally, okay, going above 1250, 1270-ish level. You know, gold has retraced tremendously over the past years, all the way from 1800, obviously, and so it looks like we're making, on a yearly chart, we're making higher lows here. Okay, we haven't gotten into a trending pattern, but we are looking for some resiliency. You see that the levels are pretty much leveling off, and we're trading higher than our 30-day average, as you can see here. So, you know, there is some resiliency, there is some strength in gold, and I think that we could see some continuation. Looking at the Dow Jones, dead. Okay, well, actually opening up lower this morning at 20,456. We traded, as you can see here from last week, you know, just really big sell-off in the markets. This was a 300-point move, and we can continue selling off. I mean, this has really risen tremendously, as you can see here, over the past 6-7 years, and we're in this bull market. So we are, to say that we're due for a correction, we are due for a correction. We had one right here where we had a double bottom. So I'd like to see this further sell-off. Let's see if we can catch it. You know, it might not pay to chase it down, but at the next anticipation bounce, maybe it's a good place to start shorting it if we're trending downwards. Looking at the GBP USD, also kind of strong here at 125. We haven't been at these levels for quite some time, so we're at, again, another resistance level. So as you can see across the board, the dollar is weak, so we want to continue looking at that. Looking at the USD ZAR as well, you know, getting stronger, 1240. Okay, that's a big cry from this 1680 level that we had up here, and as you can see, it's trending downwards, right? It's getting stronger versus the dollar, and we may be able to see 1150, okay, by the end of the year. So keep an eye on this today, as well as we're breaking it further down as the rand is getting stronger for the remaining of the quarter, and let's see if we have some consistency. This is Fred Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.